everyone, it's Natalie here from Fabricland, and we'd like to inspire you today with our trend colours that are on the high street, and we've got some fabulous, awesome colours and some great ideas. Take it away, Max.
Okay, so we've got these lovely Suedettes and polar fleeces. We think that if you made this waterfall top out of these polar fleeces, you could pop it over your work clothes, and that would be nice to keep you in trend. Also, what about a jumper dress over skinny jeans or leggings? Again, any of these fleeces would look good. Or we've got this lovely moss crepe suiting in khaki, which would make lovely wide leg trousers.
And you can put tops. You can put tops with them out of our cottons that we've just got coming in, and they would look brilliant. Just a little top, waterfall cardigan, and then some leggings, and you'd look really great for the office, and you'd be on trend. And the colours this year are really, I think they're dynamic.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think they're gorgeous.
Absolutely. Say goodbye, Max.
Goodbye, Max.